All right. So, hey, if you guys, if you like me doing these trade signals, what keeps me motivated, send me the boost. Hit the trading view, hit that boost button. Uh, um, what else? Hit the follow. That helps me say, okay, I'm reaching people. People are what they want me to continue doing that. Sending these out. I'll send these out. It encourages me to do more. Giving you guys the free content, giving you the free. You know what I'm saying? You get the benefit. You get to make some money in your pocket. We see successful trades happening. You know, as I started doing some of these signals, uh, you can go back, look at the older signals, and see my track record. Um, self touts right there, right? So if you like the signals, if you're watching this on YouTube, um, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe so I know you're there, right? Leave a comment. Say, hey, what's up? Just wanted to say what's up. Just wanted to say hello. You know, um, call me Aaron. Call me Truth. Call me Wall Street. Call me Cookie. That's fine with me. Um, so I'm on here and I'm just kind of looking around thinking that, all right, I don't know if it's going to be in a video, any more videos for today, because I told you I would try to get 1 to 2 videos a day out. Um, I'm getting myself set up for the semester. I'm going back to college, going back to school in this late age, right? I'm getting into computers. So, I want to go into cybersecurity. Like it's something that it just really interests me now. Like I get a kick out of it. I get a kick out of it. I have a sense of purpose when I do that. It's kind of like trading. Trading um, is just has that thing for me where it's something I'm gonna do forever. I never stop trading. Yes, I take breaks. Yes, I've taken a couple months off and stuff like that. And then I get back into it. Like I was losing money. I was at 1.5 million and I dropped down to 1.2 million and I stopped because I was like, man, I don't know. I just wasn't really in tune with it. And that's what you got to be able to determine. Like you can have a great streak and all this stuff. You could go forever, but eventually, I've seen traders go to 8 million, 10 million, 12 million, and they're like, hey, I need to take a break. Like, you know, for me, what kind of was a sign for me was when I started losing money and I just started taking stupid trades. I wasn't really evaluating some of the things. I was forgetting my own rules. And now later, years later now, I'm like, I realized that, having a rule, having, rules and having like a program that you're following to keep you away from emotion and just to stay as the system, like, be like trade robot. Everybody wants to trade like a robot, right? Um, but I found that you can't blow up an account as long as you're sticking to your rules, your risk management. You can't blow up an account. Like if you blow up accounts because you got emotional, you started gambling, and this is what I found myself doing. Something happens when you cross a big threshold, like you get cross a milestone. You to trade, it's a different thing. Um, I started losing a little bit of the motivation and stuff like that. So, and I didn't realize it. And I said, "Why is my trading hurting?" And I found out that really it's it's a psychological thing that has happened. So, but anyway, so I was just scrolling around here, and I'm just like, just go around and try to scan and look at the market. I like to even going down to exotics. Sometimes I may not be finding that many opportunities. Sometimes I'm like, oh, great opportunities, and this is right now, this time. It's booming opportunities, so I'm taking advantage of it, and I want you to take advantage of it also and get some of the benefit and realize that, say, hey, it's a guy out here doing it out here. You know, I'm not a great trader. I'm a great analyst. Like I can tell when things are going. Now I may not be able to trade it properly, but I can give you the chance to maybe capture some of those gains. Okay. Some of the winners and stuff like that. Okay. So make sure you're following. Um, let's see. So this is what I'm just looking at right now. I'm gonna go deeper into this. I already put in the buy because I saw the breakout above the entry. I mean above the stop loss for this pair, which this pair, and would it give me? Hold on, didn't it give me a? Here it is, bear shark. Okay, this is a bear shark. All right, molecular chips action 97.1. Da, 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 da. Okay, entry. Oh, entry is at 1.77 17551. Was that 1755? Is this talking about the other one? Am I hitting the bigger one or the smaller one? I had it here, right? Oh, yeah, because I thought something was off, right? Okay, there it is. I was like, wait a minute. The entry, how's the entry down here? The entry's not down. It's not right. Okay, this is the one that I was had my eyes on really. Um, let's see. Yes, great, awesome. And this one, what did this one do? Success was target one. We don't really want to see that, especially for what we're chasing. What I'm giving you guys is I'm giving you the larger movements that are breakouts. Um, we don't want to see this. All right. Now, RSI strategy. Sometimes I do play. I do play the what do you call it? The harmonics. But I'm always checking my sentiment because harmonics tend to feel when they're more balanced. Okay. Like we'll go to let's go back. Like let's say you want to do a conventional harmonic. Um, that's going to be something that's more like that's. Mm, Geez, wait a minute. Okay, like no, God, they're all 38.62. I'm trying to tell you something that's closer to 50-50. See, a lot of them are breaching. All right, this one's doing a little. This one has a higher chance for filling. GPB NZD has a higher chance for filling. Which right now we're on GPP NZD. We're catching the bearish harmonic on the short. Okay. Um, and get used to watching these because they have a different behavioral patterns. I took BTC down, Bitcoin, and well, no. I took the metal down, the metals, the silver and the gold metals, silver, gold, metal. I didn't say it that way, but the, the metals, not the metal, the metal, but whatever. I took the metals down, um, because they never go really. It's they don't really have like this. You know what I mean? I mean, it's not many that positions. It's not going to go to the extreme like that. Okay. Because there's so many people playing it, and it's like Euro USD. When do you see Euro USD ever go beyond? I mean, ever go beyond like what? I'm thinking 2080, 80-20, so 75-25. I don't know. Look, I'm curious. When has it gone beyond that? Had to be somewhere I missed it. There we go. Um, 461. All right. So I mean, and then I have to do a lot. So I have to do the position size and suited position. Okay. I mean, that was what? Oh, that was during like the wartime, right? When that war kicked off, when that crap dropped. No, this is when it rebounded. Oh, after 2020. Oh, that's why. Yeah, you got to have a major. It has to be a worldwide crisis for your USD to go extreme like that. Then you had, but it's just really rare. It looks like it may be. I mean, I wish I had a line that went this way. Um, I mean, it looks like it's headed towards a peak now. Probably what's going on with Russia and everything, right? It looks like it. I mean, this is probably the highest bias. That's why I was like 25.75, the highest bias that you haven't. We haven't seen anything like that since back in 2022. Okay, I have the. Is it saying the Oh, there it is. What, May 16th, 2022? That's a day. So April, May. Okay, April, May. Okay, that peak. It peaked May. So around that time. Okay. So that was like the most we've had, and then it takes a long time to reverse, to turn around. It's just because there's so many traders. It's just so many traders. It's just I usually don't trade Euro USD just because of that. It's just, I mean, it has that characteristic. It's just like it just doesn't fit my style. You know. Um, but again, all right. So Euro USD, what we're looking at. Um, I particularly like this because if I go to the daily, was it 4 hour? See, now I don't even remember now. Okay, the the shorts are getting shorter. Okay, I mean, no, wait, what am I saying? Shorts getting short. The longs are going down. See the trend, right? This peaked above, but this is higher than it's been for a while. It's higher. I mean, it's higher than it's been for a while. So I'm expecting shorts, a lot of short positions, to then pile up. Okay, and the people, you know, less being less long in the pair. So I'm expecting your NZD to continue moving up. So as that's happening, see the swing has already happened with the double bottom here. Okay, broke out above the box. It's now ranging here. We've got support there, right? Um, see, I don't know if it shows up on this one. Takes a while to load. There it is. All right, we got the breakout there. Um, on the 3 hour, price did come in, so there's time to get in before this thing gets pushed back up. We have an open target. I think we have an open target. Yeah, we have open target. I think. Let me double check. Almost, man. Almost closed. Almost closed. We've got two open targets, so it could potentially, hit those points. I mean, it's going to do it eventually. It depends on the timing, but I'm going for it. Now, this one I'm going for. Um, maximum overdrive. Um, 545, and then just chase it up. Like move my stop loss up and just let it like go, right? So I mean, we're talking probably a period of maybe say 80 days. Probably going to be holding it for 80 days. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Because it could, Um, but this right here, especially if this does not come down, if this doesn't come down here, okay, because you can have basically where I have my stop loss. Right now, let me see. Let me double check what control this is. Star 77367. So it's still under control. So it's early, okay. Don't be surprised if it moves down here, because I'm in early. I would say if you're not in, get in above uh 1.77367, right? So and what am I at? Yeah, 177,363. 177,367. Like if you want to be like extra cautious, and that's this bar right here, the Darvez box. So you want to see a breakout above that, because what happens is it's still under the control. So this is early. I would say this is early. The early bird special, right? So this is early. It is early, and then you see my market bar is right here. I didn't. This market bar was placed. If you look at my market bar video, um, the price was back here, and I placed the center of the bar here to give me an idea of the reversal points, and you see how accurate it is. I mean, look at that. I mean, this is like me guessing basically. I was off by 15 here, 15 pips on that reversal, and then about same amount on either side came to the middle, and that's the take profit. This is when I do, if you do market, it would be here, and then the TP was smack the TP right on the freaking nose. 86.5, you made 86 pips um, on that top, that short, that quick short. So, and that's if you're doing market structure. I mean, I play around with it, you know. I don't do it exclusively. So, I mean, as a bundle, because I mean, doing exclusively, I do better if I mix it up. So I've always been, that kind of trader where I can mix things up a bit, and I'll do better. So I give you guys just everything I know, like everything that I could tell you. I mean, I have video, I have courses. Um, you can ask me about like some of the courses and stuff like that. Um, but yeah, so all right, let me get out of here. It's already been 19, 20 minutes. Um, you can go to my profile, you'll see the links there. If you want more information, like if you want to learn how to trade like this, I could share some information with you. Just hit me up on there. I can't say but so much on the trading view thing. I don't want to get the flag. So that's really it. Hit the boost. Give me a boost, guys. Give me a boost. That's all I ask, man. Hit that button for me. Like it. If you're watching on YouTube, share, subscribe. If you're on TradingView, follow, and hit the boost rocket, man. All right. Leave a comment in the section below. Peace.